Hi, this is Jamie Jackson with Wanderlust Travel. I am at the One and Only Royal Mirage in Dubai. I just checked into one of their palace suites and I'd love to give you a little bit of a tour. This is the entryway. There is a spare bathroom in this area. Pretty little dining table, TV and lounge area. And there are only 5 floors I think here, and I'm on the bottom floor, which is great because you can walk out to the beautiful green gardens. The pool and the beach are right there. Now this door can shut off, and then you have a king bed in here with another outdoor patio. Lots of closet space, areas to get ready. Separate shower, toilet, beautiful tub. I love the decor in here. It's very classy, very Arabic, but also relaxing too. So it's a beautiful hotel, very quiet, but then they also have a lot of nice activities and beach going on. You can take the shuttle over to the One and Only The Palm, their sister property. So you have lots of dining options throughout the resorts. So stay tuned while I'm here, and I'd love to tell you more about Dubai.